family, welcome to Ohana House. I'm Star, and on this channel I make content to empower others to pursue holistic wealth through real estate, financial hacks, and at-home inspiration. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you like it. Here we are in week 3 of our renovation for our 1920s rental, and we are picking out plumbing fixtures for our bathrooms. We're going to a showroom that our contractor has a relationship with, and we're going to pick out some fixtures today. Say hi to the camera, babe.
Hey.
That ended up being like 160 something. So we can get 2 of those, and we can just choose an oil rub runs shower head that's different because it didn't have one that went with it in that color.
That was the one I was looking at.
Like what?
It looked like this one.
Can we do price low to high?
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine, but you're still way under your budget for the master shower.
What do you think, babe? Think we should, are there any square heads?
Yeah, absolutely. I don't see why you would have to buy it like that. So that's the master and that's the guest.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I really like this gold. This is so pretty.
One thing I don't like is this, but I liked it on there though.
You don't like the crystal?
But I like the crystal on the top.
I think it's so pretty. Can we do this in the house?
Probably not, but
It's so pretty. Look at
that's one
that.
picture I gotta change. So
Look at it, it's glistening.
yeah,
Oh my gosh.
you have this video to keep looking at it over and over.
So for the master bath, we're looking at getting widespread handles like this, where the faucet and the handles are separate. And for the guest bath,
4 inches.
yeah, we're looking at 4-inch spread like this. We thought that the wide spread would be better, a little bit more high end for the master. And then we're looking at, they don't have a lot of the deltas in here in the showroom, but we were looking at them online. And we're looking at a more square head. We're also looking at oil rub bronze for the master. Or we're looking at oil rub bronze for both. But for the master, we're looking at more of a square head. And I think, do we have one similar?
With the trim? The trim, this might be the closest, but it's oil bronze and not with this additional pressure meter.
For the guest, we have like a round one. Is it more like this?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll pull up pictures on the website and insert them into this video. But I love, look at this brass gold. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. I might convince David to let us change our house
In 10 years.
to this color. It's so
In
pretty.
10 years.
We already have brass features already.
You buy a brand new house and your wife asks you to change fixtures in a brand new house.
Babe,
It practically doesn't make sense.
why doesn't it make sense?
Because it's a brand new house, as I continue to say.
Well, look at this sink. This is so unique. I also wouldn't mind one of these like bowl sinks that sit on top, but I'm not worried about this right now because it's a rental. We're gonna do undermount sinks, but these are really
This
pretty.
reminds me of a bathroom at the airport I went to.
Yeah, this doesn't like that chrome doesn't really look that great
It
to
looks like
me.
an airport.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
So much. You too.
You
Thank
too.
you. Stay safe.
Okay, so today I am going to pick out the tile for the bathrooms. I'm going to another showroom that my contractor recommended. So it's been a few weeks now since my last renovation video. The pandemic did have an effect on the timeline of my renovation even more. If you watched the video on how the pandemic has affected my investments, you know that my renovation was delayed originally by about 4 weeks because the city of Atlanta was closed, so we couldn't pull permits. And then I told you guys that I will update you if there were any other delays in this renovation process. Because of the pandemic, the materials for my project are delayed as well. So let me tell you what I mean by that. So a lot of my materials were built from scratch, were built custom for my house. That is because I have an old house, and so a lot of the things in my house are not standard size. So the front door was built from scratch. All the windows had to be built custom. The cabinets are custom for both the kitchen and the bathrooms, etc., etc. So with that being said, the pandemic has affected suppliers' ability to produce those materials on the same schedule that they typically do, meaning that they are operating on skeleton crews. They are operating on very slim crews because of the pandemic, because of social distancing, so that they can make sure that they are abiding by social distancing guidelines in their production of their materials, which means that my materials are now delayed. So over the past couple weeks, there really hasn't been much movement happening at the house, which is why I haven't been there, or at least I haven't given you a video where I've been there, because there hasn't really been much change. We've pretty much been waiting on materials and ordering more materials and picking out new materials, which is what I'm showing you guys in this video. The front door has come in. The cabinets will be coming in this week, and the plumbing fixtures that you actually see in the former clip in the beginning of this video, those actually came in earlier this week as well, and they've already started being installed by the plumber. So you'll probably see those things on the next video. I don't know that much about what I want for these bathrooms. I do know that in the master I want a herringbone floor, and I'm pretty sure I want the floor to be dark and the shower to be light.
8 by 16, that could be run on herringbone, and it also have been running white marble look too, so that size
That's
works
nice.
good for herringbone.
Okay.
The polish right there, so it comes in a polish, comes in a matte.
I like the matte.
And then this is a brush chisel edge look here.
So I'm gonna just look around.
Okay.
You know, if I need help. This shower is beautiful, but it's definitely more than I need in the rental property. I can't figure out if I like this or not. Y'all, I love this porcelain tile. I actually like this matte version more, but that's like the glossy version. Here's the matte version. I think this matte is so pretty. Last place I went to was a recommendation by my contractor. They didn't really have a wide selection, and their prices weren't super competitive. I'm at Floor Decor because I know that they have like everything, and they always have great prices. So I'm gonna see what they have here. Can I just show y'all how this person parks? Here's the line. Here's the line. Here's their car. Here's my car. I had to slide out, but I'm not moving because I parked correctly. So I would do those two together. The darker one for the wall.
Yeah, I think that kind of brings that out.
Yeah, I think it looks good. I like it for the wall. I think this is beautiful.
This one.
I do.
Do you like the placement of it?
Probably not. I would probably The way both of these are placed are nice.
Yeah, I like both of those.
Actually, I like this a lot. Yeah, it looks busy to me. So if it was like a more solid.
But it has veins, but not a lot of veins.
Yeah. I like that.
You just had light veins, not dark.
Yeah, that looks good. This is really cool.
It's different, huh?
That's really nice. I'm sure it's really expensive too. But that's so cool.
But most people shower is like 20 square feet, or maybe a little larger or a little smaller. The more you go over, the kind of better the quality is. So you have real marble, you have real travertine, you have real slate, and then the prices are different too.
Okay.
Hard to say.
What about this one?
Probably need something more plain. For the shower floor. Not bad, honestly. So this will be the bathroom floor. And then it will go into the shower floor.
Yeah.
So it's not a bad look. What do you think about this one?
That one actually works a lot better.
Because this, to me, when I'm looking at it now, this looks blue versus these veins look gray.
Yeah.
I like this a lot better than this one. I don't know, because the thing is, I like this with that,
Yeah.
but I like this one with that one. So, I don't know.
But I think I like
this doesn't look bad with that.
it doesn't. But I think I do like this. Like this veining here is beautiful to me.
Gotcha. Okay.
So I'll take a sample of this one.
This one, okay.
That is the Venado matte. I love the matte tile.
This is a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, I do like it together.
All of that looks good. Just decide.
Which one you want?
Right. I'm pretty sure I'm going to go with the light wall and then choose between the light floor, lighter floor, darker floor.
I'm the only one here. Only Anthony.
I just got some simple tile for the master bath. I didn't know that they closed at 6 o'clock, and I got there at like a little after 5:30, so I didn't really have enough time to shop for both of the bathrooms. I'll have to come back to pick out the tile for the guest bathroom, and I still want to pick out an accent piece of tile for the shower and the master. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Should I go with the white shower tile and a dark concept gray floor? Should I go with the white shower tile and the lighter gray herringbone floor? Or should I go with the lighter gray floor and the dark concept gray shower? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Just for your information, the cabinets in the master will be white, and I think that the wall color will either be a white color or a very light gray. So if that will help you make your decision. Well, I really value you guys' opinion. I did see all of you guys' comments, and I am taking everyone's comments into consideration from the last video when I asked about the exterior colors for the house. I still haven't decided yet, and the exterior paint will be one of the last things that will be done anyways, so I have a little bit more time before I have to decide for sure on those colors, and I will let you guys know as soon as I decide what colorway I chose. But please let me know what you think we should do for the color wave or the tile for our master bathroom. Oh, and shout out to Anthony at the Kennesaw Floor Decor. He was super patient and super helpful. I came in, like I said, a few minutes before closing. He may have started helping me maybe like 15 minutes before closing, and of course it took longer than 15 minutes for me to pick out those tiles, and I changed it a few times. So, you know, if you are in need of flooring or decor and you're in Georgia, see Anthony at Floor Decor in Kennesaw. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. More to come, and until next time, love Star.